is gratitude. Okay, ready to do a little game? Raise your hand. Okay, somebody's coming in. Okay. All right, I want you all to look up. Look up. What do you see? What do you see above you? You see the ceiling? Everybody, can you see the ceiling? So let's all say thank you for the ceiling because it can protect us from the rain, right? Okay, how about Yesha? What do you see there? The ceiling also? Yes, maybe you have light. Can you see your light in the room? Yes, so let's say thank you for the light because it can help us see things clearly even when it's nighttime, right? Okay, this is what a gratitude journal is. Okay, you know what? A gratitude journal is very important because you write here and you remind yourself about the things that you're thankful for, yes? Okay, so that's what we're going to do. So I want you all to get your notebooks. You have your notebooks with you and your pencils. You have them? Ready? Okay, now I want you to look around and what makes you say wow and why? Okay, this is the first thing that you're going to write on the first page of your notebook. If you're using a notebook that already has some pages filled up, it's okay. Just go to a blank page, okay? So go to a blank page and start writing. What makes you say wow and why, okay? Why does it make you say wow? Maybe you looked around and you saw a favorite book or a favorite toy and that made you say wow. So you have to write it down and explain why it makes you say wow. What do you like about it? Okay, so start writing, guys. Start writing. Okay, very good for those who are done. Raise your hand. Not yet? Okay, Bree is done. Okay, Bree, can we just one? Okay, so that the others can already work on the second one. What made you happy today or yesterday? And why? Okay, start writing. Or if you want, you can add a drawing also. Okay, you can add a drawing. What made you happy today or yesterday? And why? Why did it make you happy?
Not yet done.
Not yet done, okay.
I'm done. I'm done.
Okay, let's take a Gabriel. Let's listen to you. Can you unmute first, please? We cannot hear you. Okay, there. Thank you.
My games make me happy because I can play an hour.
Oh, wonderful. Your games make you happy, yes? Okay, Jose Gabriel, what do you want to say?
Is Mateo a real story?
What?
Is Mateo a real story?
Mateo, oh, and it's not really a real story, but, you know, the author of the book, the one who wrote the book, she has met some kids who are like Mateo. That's why she decided to write something like that, because there are some kids who get bored easily and they would always just want to play on their iPads and gadgets and those devices, right? And sometimes when it's not allowed anymore, you cannot find other things to do. So it's very important that, you know, we try to do a lot of other things. Okay, so we're going to continue. Letter writing. Everybody pay attention. Who among you has seen a letter? Raise your hand. Who among you has tried writing a letter? Raise your hand. And who among you has received a letter? Raise your hand. Yes? Wow, almost everybody, right? Okay, so let's see. These are the parts of a letter. Okay, a thank you note is an example of a friendly letter and it has 5 parts. So I want you to tell me, okay, label the parts of the thank you letter below and I want this. Okay, the 5 parts are number
Body,
1, the
body,
number
closing,
2,
greeting.
number 3, greeting, number 4, heading, and number 5 is the signature. Now I want you to answer. You see the arrow here that points to November 20. What is that part? Please, you know what a thank you letter looks like. And now it's your turn, guys. It's your turn. So prepare your prepare your papers, guys. Kids, prepare your papers and your pens and choose who you want to write a thank you letter to. Okay, are you going to write to your mom? Start with your letter. Start with your letter. Okay, once you're done, Adam is done. Yes, okay, who wants to share? I'm going to leave you with your homework for tomorrow. So this is your homework. Everybody pay attention.
Homework,
And you
write
can
down
it
the
down, or
5
you can
things
take a
that you
picture
love
of it,
and
if you like, so that you won't forget it. And tomorrow we're going to share. Write down 5 things that you love and you feel thankful for. Okay, so what are the 5 things that you love and you feel thankful for? So you're going to write that down and you're going to put it inside your gratitude jars. All right? Okay, so copy it if you like, or take a picture of it, and you can